Hi, boys and girls. My name is John Benetti, and I'm the Assistant Superintendent of Schools here in Union City Public Schools, which means that I get to work with all the boys and girls and all the teachers in Union City. And one of my favorite things to do is to read stories to students. So today, I would like to do that with you. One of my favorite books is Pete the Cat and the Perfect Pizza Party, and it was written by Kimberly and James Dean. Now, Pete the Cat wants to throw a perfect pizza party. Pete invites the gang over to share his awesome pepperoni pizza. But when no one else agrees with Pete's choice of toppings, they try adding their own. Will Pete's perfect pizza party be ruined? There's only one way to find out. Let's start reading. Pete the Cat and the Perfect Pizza Party. Pete the Cat loves pizza. Pete the Cat loves parties too. Pete had an idea of what he could do. He would have the perfect pizza party. Pete's friends all arrived. It was time to build that perfect pizza together. That would make the pizza even better. Pete thought the perfect pizza would be pepperoni with extra cheese. It's a party, a pepperoni pizza party. But everyone did not agree. Callie said, pepperoni would be just fine, but I really love pretzels on mine. Pete and the gang were puzzled. Pretzels? Well, that's something new. But maybe pretzels could be groovy too. It's a party, a pepperoni pretzel pizza party. Squirrel said, pepperoni and pretzels would be just fine, but I really love pistachios on mine. Pete and the gang were puzzled. Pistachios? Well, that's something new. But maybe pistachios could be groovy too. It's a party, a pepperoni pretzel pistachio pizza party. Grumpy Toad, he said, pepperoni, pretzels, and pistachios would be just fine, but I really love pickles on mine. Pete and the gang were puzzled. Pickles? Well, that's something new, but maybe pickles could be groovy too. It's a party, a pepperoni, pretzel, pistachio, pickle pizza party. Gus said, pepperoni, pretzels, pistachios, and pickles would be just fine. But I really love popcorn on mine. Pete and the gang were puzzled. Popcorn? Oh, that's something new. But maybe popcorn can be groovy too. It's a party, a pepperoni, pretzel, pistachio, pickle, popcorn pizza party. alligator said, pepperoni, pretzels, pistachios, pickles, and popcorns would be just fine. But I really love papaya on mine. Now Pete and the gang were really puzzled. Papaya? Well, that's something new. But maybe papaya could be groovy too. It's a party, a pepperoni, pretzel, pistachio, pickle, popcorn, papaya pizza party. Pete and the gang piled the pepperoni, pretzels, pistachios, pickles, popcorn, and papaya on top. The pizza was so high, they had to stop. Ding! The pizza was done. Trying something new might be fun. They all built up the courage to take a first bite. And the pepperoni, pretzel, pistachio, pickle, popcorn, papaya pizza was out of sight. Dynamite and just right. In the end, the perfect pizza is a pizza shared with friends. The end. I hope you like the story, boys and girls. It's one of my favorites. Enjoy. Thanks for letting me read to you.